It starts with sugar. Tons of it. This facility processes enough sugar to fill an Olympic swimming pool every month.
Workers load the raw sugar into the intake system manually to ensure quality control.
Every day, a fleet of trucks arrives here, carrying the raw fuel for one of the world's most popular drinks.
From here, it begins a journey through miles of piping.
These massive silos hold the sugar before it is dissolved.
Inside, the scale is staggering.
First, it must be refined. Vibrating screens remove any impurities.
Technicians monitor the filtration process 24/7.
Next comes the secret concentrate, the heart of the flavor.
This proprietary blend is mixed with the treated water and sweetener. In the mixing tanks, the ingredients are blended into a perfect syrup. Powerful agitators ensure a consistent texture. The color transforms as the caramel tint is added.
It's a mesmerizing dance of chemistry. Minor ingredients are added with laboratory precision.
Even a drop creates a ripple effect in the flavor profile. Quality control is rigorous.
Every batch is tested for density and viscosity. Samples are taken to the lab every hour.
If the thickness isn't perfect, the entire batch is rejected.
Once approved, the syrup is pumped to the bottling line. The syrup travels at high speed. It passes through heat exchangers to reach the perfect temperature.
Temperature control is critical for carbonation.
Carbon dioxide is about to be introduced.
The pressure must be exact.
CO2 is injected under high pressure.
This creates the iconic fizz we all know.
A final check ensures the carbonation hold is strong.
Perfect.
Meanwhile, thousands of bottles are being prepared. The empty bottles arrive by the truckload.
They are fed onto the main line.
Every bottle undergoes a high-pressure wash. Sterilized and ready for filling. The line organizes them into a single file. They move at speeds of up to 500 bottles per minute. Before filling, a laser array scans for microscopic cracks. Any defect, no matter how small, triggers a rejection.
Faulty bottles are instantly removed. The fleet is now ready for the filling room.
We've reached the heart of the factory, the rotary filler.
This machine fills 1,200 bottles every single minute.
The liquid is chilled to 3 degrees Celsius to prevent excess foaming.
Speed is critical. The bottle must be sealed instantly. Speed is critical. The bottle must be sealed instantly.
Above the line, thousands of caps are sorted and fed into the chute. The capper applies a precise amount of torque.
Too loose, it goes flat. Too tight, it won't open.
Operators constantly monitor efficiency rates.
The product is now safe, sealed, and carbonated. Random samples are pulled for torque testing.
The lab verifies the seal strength again.
Next, the bottles need their identity.
The labeling station is a blur of color.
Hot glue is applied at precise temperatures.
A vacuum drum transfers the label to the glass. Cameras check for label alignment and wrinkles. Finally, a laser burns the batch code and expiration date. This code tracks the bottle's journey forever.
The bottles are now ready for grouping.
They are corralled into 6-pack formations.
For larger orders, trays are folded automatically. A curtain of shrink film wraps the pack. They enter the heat tunnel. They enter the heat tunnel. "200-degree air shrinks the plastic instantly. A cooling fan sets the plastic into a rigid shell.
Handles are applied for consumer convenience.
The individual units are complete. Logistics codes are applied for warehouse tracking. Now, the heavy lifting begins. This robotic arm never tires. It stacks perfectly to ensure stability during transport. Layer by layer, the pallet is built. Slip sheets are added to prevent sliding. A full pallet weighs nearly a ton.
The final step before the warehouse is wrapping.
Stretch film locks the load together. It spins at 30 revolutions per minute. Destination data is tagged. The warehouse is a hive of activity. Forklift operators move with precision.
Inventory is stored until orders arrive.
Outside, the fleet is waiting.
Trucks are loaded in a specific sequence.
Weight distribution is key for safe travel. Drivers verify every pallet.
The cargo is secured.
A security seal ensures the product isn't tampered with.
Engines roar to life. Another shipment begins its journey. From the factory floor to the store shelf.
Cooling systems run 24/7 to keep the process stable.
Behind the machines are the skilled operators who keep them running.
Automation controls every microsecond of the line.
As the sun sets, the production never stops.
3 shifts a day keep the output constant. Safety protocols are strictly enforced. Walkways are clearly marked to separate humans from machines.
Maintenance teams are always on standby.
Proper lubrication extends the life of these millions-dollar machines.
This complex covers over 500,000 square feet.
The lab is the brain of the operation.
Even raw materials are inspected at a microscopic level. Occasional pauses allow for system recalibration.
Emergency stops are located every 20 feet.
The night shift keeps the rhythm going.
Weather conditions outside never affect the precision inside.
Pride in workmanship is visible everywhere. Even the air quality is filtered.
Electric forklifts keep the indoor air clean. Every shipment requires a signature.
Distribution centers span the entire continent.
Through rain or shine, the delivery is made.
Finally, it reaches your local store.
Ready for purchase.
It's a staple in millions of shopping carts and a part of family gatherings.
That refreshing taste starts here. Thanks for watching Manufacturing Explained.